Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be unboxing the glorious Model O. If you look here at the back, you have some specs, and here we got glorious PC gaming race. Let's open it. I have opened the casing. Here we have the mouse. And the cord is very long. I have a silica gel. We have this leaflet. Welcome to the glorious legion. Another welcome to a glorious legion. We have a sticker. We have another sticker. Visit our site for more info. And build your battle station. And the quick start guide. Now I will attach to the PC and we will test it in action. I have now attached the mouse to the computer, and it got 6 buttons. You got 2 on the side here. It got the scrolling wheel, the DPI button, and 2 other click buttons. Default, the DPI is set to 3200. You see here the red light. If I press here, I change the DPI and the light becomes green, and it got 4 different modes. But you also have possibility to download the software, and with the software you can do a lot of different settings. Now I move the mouse around and it is very fast on the screen. Very fast reaction. I will now download the software so we can have a look. I have downloaded the software from pcgamingrace.com, and before we will run the software we need to install the firmware update first. So I will do that. Double click on that file, or is Model O and O minus FM, etc. Then drive, waiting, burning, and the mouse must be in while you do this. Then I will unplug the mouse and I will replug again. It's replugged now. Let's go to next step. The next step, we go to software and run the setup. Then go to more info and run. Next, next. Install. Finish. Now we have a lot of options. We can program over here what left, right, middle, forward, back, and DPI can do. We have a marker editor here. We can have different profiles for the mouse, depending on maybe what game you're playing. And also here on this side, you have the DPIs going from 400 up to 10,000. Current DPI 1600. Then I click the button. It goes up to 3200. But then I will go here and I will go here and if I click here, now it's 10,000 because it's white. 400, 800, 1600, 3200, 5000 and 10,000 DPI. If I move the mouse, I will first set the mouse here and you see it's lightning fast. It's difficult to follow it because it's so quick. And then we can do, I will put slower speed on this. 400 is perfect for me right now. I can go to lightning. And here we have different effects. Glorious mode, breathing, seamless breathing, single color, tail, rave, wave, etc. If I choose rave, it will go like this. If I have breathing, it goes like this. If I have tail, go like that, etc. This was all for today. I hope you had a good time. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I see you next time.